3, 2, 1. You may find this hard to believe, but it's now been snowing 8 consecutive days in New England on our tallest mountains. Of course, that's where you want to go, right? Mount Washington is up to 37 inches of snow so far this month. And we've got a new 1/8 of an inch of snow right here, right now at Stowe, celebrating 85 years. Actually, that was last year. 86 years here. And it was a good day today. I mean, it started off really crispy, you know, in that 8 days in a row of snow. There were about 3 hours of rain, as everyone knows, on Sunday morning. So there's firmness under there. Now we got to rebury it again. Tonight, it's just a tiny wintertime instability Windex event with an inch or two of snow for the northern Green Mountains. So if it's still snowing at 12 a.m. and goes into tomorrow, that's 9 days in a row with snow. And then tomorrow night, there's another storm on our doorstep. And this one is not going to have anywhere near the punch of the last one with the 25 inches of snow at Hermit Lake and the 4 inches of rain. So we're looking more like 5 to 10 inches of snow where it stays all snow. And that's a tough call right now. It looks very similar to the rain snow lines we had back on Saturday night and Sunday. And so even up here where we get about 4 or 5 inches of snow, there may be brief drizzle and light rain on top of that first thing Saturday, excuse me. And then Saturday afternoon, the cold air comes back in. It's going to get windy and it's going to snow more, sort of upslope snow coming in at us. And lake effect snows coming all the way off Lake Ontario into Vermont, across New York. That could add up to several inches Sunday afternoon, so it's going to be quite a challenging day, going from sort of a damp start to icy and snowy and windy in the afternoon. And then Monday, it looks like we actually have a day without maybe snow. I don't know. It's going to be unstable. That low pressure system that's going through here Saturday night actually takes a left across Hudson Bay, and that's blocking. And that could keep lake effect snows and upslope snows going Monday into Tuesday before the next system tries to run up the coast. This is a huge wild card on Tuesday. That'll be about the 5th storm in a row, and it looks like the rain snow line for that one could be closer to Cape Cod. Jury is out on that. And then we get into some serious Arctic chill second half of next week, and it may come with an additional storm late on Friday to Saturday, January 20th. Come on through.
Excuse me.
This is a live TV show. It's all fine. It's all good. Let's go over here. We're check out the skating rink. So there's ice skating going on at the Whistle Pig, and people are in a generally good mood because it's snowy heading into this Martin Luther weekend. So it's going to be very busy this weekend. Pick your spots. I would say tomorrow, Saturday, probably the best. We'll see you on the slopes. Thank you, video.
Yeah, it used to come. The Bruce Trail.
Development of skiing and tourism began in the 1800s. Bruce Trail, 1934. Used to be 86 single chairs, spanning 6,330 feet, gaining 20-30 in elevation.
Certainly wintry at 4,000 feet. Doesn't even look like it rained. Oh, yes it does. There are some icicles right above the waffles. Out the door to the snow.
Red light blinking.
Beautiful. We're Carl and Donna on Gondolier. It's wintertime up here in northern Vermont. Let's do it. Beautiful up top. Down below, it's a little bit Captain Crunchy, but it's all good. There is snow in the valley. It survived that storm.
Snow is picking up. Christmas decorations are coming down.
It's a little sad.
I hear a dog somewhere. I can't
See it though.
He wants to go out and play in the snow. No doubt. Round 2 of skiing coming up right now. I don't like it when there's snow in the cars at the end of the day. Yeah. That's cool. Snowing maybe 1/8 of an inch an hour. 8 hours we get an inch. It's past 4 o'clock. I think we picked up close to 1/4 of an inch of new snow here so far. It's looking good. Feels good. We should do a snowcast. I'll do a snowcast downstairs, down below. I just set the skis down a second ago. Very fine, but it's accumulating.
Yeah, it's getting a little powdery. Little tiny bit powdery.
Ah.